San Miguel took a 2-0 lead in the PBA Commissioner's Cup semifinals after a come-from-behind win over Alaska, 105-94, on Monday at the Smart-Araneta Coliseum. Renaldo Balkman had 31 points and 10 rebounds for the Beermen, who trailed by 16 in the second quarter but came storming back in the second half to frustrate the Aces again. The win left Alaska on the ropes as the Beermen moved into position to sweep the best-of-5 series in Game 3 on Wednesday, also at the Big Dome. Mar Fajardo added 21 points and 18 rebounds, while Chris Ross scored 16 points on 4 of 6 shooting from three-point land. His 3 successive treys early in the second half got the ball rolling on the Beermen's comeback. But it's still Balkman's steady scoring to put Alaska away. His 2 baskets as well as a 3-point play by Fajardo widened San Miguel's lead to 97-87 with 2:55 left before Arwind Santos' 3 put an exclamation point to the win. "I have to appreciate their coaching staff," said San Miguel coach Leo Austria. "Talagang inalabas nila yung kanilang magagawa for us to exert extra effort just to overcome yung lamang nila." Diamond Simpson had 19 points and 15 rebounds, while Simon Enciso also scored 19 points for the Aces, who started out strong and led 41-25 lead in the first half. Vic Manuel had 15 points but was saddled with foul troubles early and only had 1 point in the first half. The Aces remained without suspended Calvin Abueva and injured Chris Banchero in Game 2. Simpson also sat out the final minutes due to an injury. The scores. San Miguel 105, Balkman 31, Fajardo 21, Ross 16, Cabagnat 14, Lassiter 8, Santos 5, Nabung 5, Haruela 3, Standhardinger 2. Alaska 94, Enciso 19, Simpson 19, Manuel 15, Tang 13, Casio 12, Thaw 6, Cruz 5, Galigas 3, Rackle 2, Baclau 0, Examiniano 0.